Hello, this is Scott Barfield, and I'm here in High Vista Golf and Country Club, which is right on the Buncombe-Henderson County line. We're about 10 minutes from Biltmore Park, and we have a 2,700 square foot house here with, okay, it's subjective, I get it, right? But it's subjective, but probably the best view of a listing I've had, I don't know, in 5 years. This thing, it's amazing. It snowed. We had 3 inches yesterday. And take a peek here. So park in the driveway there. That's the street out front. But we're gonna take a peek inside, okay? So here we go. All right. There's an office to the left as soon as we come in. Come down a hall. It's a split plan, so bedroom, a guest bath there, and a bedroom there. And then the master's back down and around. So we come in, we got the kitchen like so. Granite countertops, nice stainless. And then here is your living room. But before we go too far, I just want you to see this view. Look at that. So this is High Vista Golf and Country Club. What we're looking at is fairways. I think this is the back nine. I should know my stuff. I'm better at it than that, but anyway. So looking west out that way, sun setting off to the left a little. But isn't this pretty? Green is right down here. And you can kind of see, it's just a nice spot to be board on the ceiling. And open plan. Kitchen looks out to the family room. And then the master's down this hall here. The house has 2 masters. Here's master number 1. Boom, boom, boom. Goes out to the porch there. See that one? And then big shower. Dual vanities. Big wall. Well, that's the porta closet there, but the walk-in closet is that way. Big walk-in closet over there. Now there's another master bedroom upstairs. And there's 1,900 more feet downstairs unfinished and a workshop. So this one, yeah, and this cool big old master, second master up here. Isn't that neat? All right, I know this video is running quick, but I just want you to see it. So yeah, pretty neat. If all of my listings were this nice, my life would be a lot of fun, really easy. My life is a lot of fun, but this job would be a lot easier. Take a peek. We're gonna run downstairs real quick. Boom. So 2,700 feet is nice, but if you need to add space for something, I think this ceiling height's high enough. You can put one of those indoor driving ranges in here. It's pretty close. You might swing a golf club like that. It's plumbed in over here for another bath. There's a porch on this lower level if you made it an in-law suite, and they'd have a view too. But then, what everybody needs, you can build your own bat cave. So you come pulling in on your golf cart, you can fix it all up the way you like. Coming in here, and then a workshop like that. So you can deck this thing out. Okay, all right. Well, I hope you liked the video. If I could be of service, give me a shout. My name's Scott Barfield. My number's 828-489-6760.